Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We were doing the MCQs on history of Jammu and Kashmir. Continuing that, the first question for today is who is known as the Samudragupta of Kashmir? So it is Lalitaditya from the Karkota dynasty. Then the next one is choose the correct chronological order of dynasties in Kashmir from the following. तो कश्मीर में तो सबसे पहले थे मौर्यन एम्पायर, फिर उसके बाद कुशान एम्पायर आया, मौर्यन में थे ये वो अशोका, देन कुशान एम्पायर में वो हुश्का जुश्का एंड कनिष्का आए, और कनिष्का के टाइम पे ही फोर्थ बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल भी हुई थी जिसमें जो ये था बुद्धिज़्म ये 2 सेक्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गया था. देन आफ्टर द कुशान्स आए कारकोटा डायनेस्टी जिसमें ललितादित्य एंड ऑल थे, एंड देन उसके बाद आई उत्पाला डायनेस्टी. तो उत्पाला डायनेस्टी जो थी उनकी जो वाइफ थी क्वीन दीदा, उनकी पहले तो उनकी डेथ के बाद उनके जो ब्रदर थे उनके आगे बच्चों का वो एम्पायर चला, तो वो हो गया लोहारा डायनेस्टी, वो पुंछ से थी. देन आफ्टर लोहारा डायनेस्टी आती है देव डायनेस्टी. तो देव डायनेस्टी के टाइम पे भी मंगोल जो थे एक दिलूचा उसने इन्वेड करने का ट्राई किया, एंड देन उनकी जो भी फाइट हुई उनको हेल्प किया 3 लोगों ने, और उसके बाद हुई हमारी शामी डायनेस्टी यहाँ पे एस्टेब्लिश. ओके, तो अगर हम क्रोनोलॉजी में देखें तो इस क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से उत्पाला, देन लोहारा, देन देवा एंड देन शामी डायनेस्टी. Then the next one is which ruler held the 4th Buddhist Council at Kundalwan in Kashmir that divided the Buddhism in 2 sects. तो ये मैंने अभी बताया कि ये थे कनिष्का के टाइम पे. Then the next question is Jamyang Namgyal of Namgyal dynasty in Ladakh was nicknamed as Lion King. So it is true. Then Jamyang जो है जामयांग इनने फेस किए several Muslim invasions and he resisted those attacks and tried to retain control over Ladakh. This is also true but ये इसका correct explanation नहीं है. Then the next one is which was the last dynasty to rule the Ladakh before it became the part of Indian Union. So it is Dogra dynasty. Then the next one is which Mauryan ruler sent his missionaries to Ladakh to spread Buddhism. So it is Ashoka. And the next one is which important monument was built by Sepal Namgyal. So it is Tok Palace. Then the next one is Cho and Lonpo were titles given to chiefs in Ladakh. Then the next question is which ruler of the Namgyal dynasty shifted the capital to Ladakh from She to Leh. So it is Tashi. Then the first mosque in Leh was built during the tenure of which king in Ladakh. So it is Telik Namgyal. Then Ladakh is also known as the land of high passes. Then which among the following literary sources contains the detailed history of Ladakh? So it is Ladakh Chronicles. Then the next one is who established Namgyal dynasty in Ladakh? So it is Bagan. Then the next one is which place was known for the export of Pashmina along the historic Silk Route? So it is Tibet. Then who built the Likir monastery? So it is Lachen Utpala. Then which river valley in Ladakh was chosen by the archaeologists for the survey? So it is Nubra Valley. And the last question for today is which valley region is the storehouse of the prehistoric sites in Ladakh? So it is also Nubra Valley. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.